I'm Flynn Ballantyne, president of Ballantyne Gear. We'd like to show you a takedown of a gable-to-gable EVOOC fall protection system. The takedown is similar to the one-person dismantling of an EVOOC system with ladders. We will focus on the differences. Follow instruction manuals from the Ballantyne Gear EVOOC Technical Manual. From the gable-to-gable installation, first side installer, now first dismantler, holds first EVOOC in place, while second side installer, now second dismantler, protected from falls with his adjustable lifeline, unties the mule overhand knot on the second side EVOOC, and then tosses the tail of his lifeline over the edge. Second dismantler then lowers the EVOOC to the ground. When removing the EVOOC from the rooftop, it is much easier to pull the Giant with the EVOOC off the roof in one motion. Second dismantler maintains tension on the line to the first EVOOC even after the second EVOOC is on the ground. When first dismantler communicates that he is ready, second dismantler gives slack, but not too fast, while first installer controls the lowering of the first EVOOC, being careful to keep the rope on the tape that is protecting the roof edge and keeping the EVOOC body from striking the house or building.